Health benefits of fertility leaf. Igbo call it Ogirisi leaf, Yoruba call it Ewe Akoko, Hausa call it Aduruko. This leaf is known for its power to treat medical conditions like pain relief. Ogirisi is used to treat and relieve pain, especially the kind associated with rheumatism and arthritis. Boiling the leaf and bark and drinking it can help reduce pain and make it easier to treat these conditions. The leaves also have anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Wound treatment. The bark of the Akoko, Ogirisi plant can be applied to wounds and injuries to stop bleeding and make it heal properly. It would also help to disinfect the wound and prevent germs from getting into it. It has been used for many years for such medical treatment. 3. Treatment of epilepsy. The leaf and bark of Ogirisi plant are used to treat epilepsy and spasms. The bark and leaf are boiled in water to extract the juice, which is then drink. This can be used to effectively subdue a spasm or epileptic episode. 4. Toothache treatment. Ogirisi leaf extract can be gargled in the mouth to reduce the pain of toothache. Just boil the leaf in water to gain the extract and let it cool a bit before putting it in your mouth. 5. Dermatological properties. Ogirisi leaves contain antifungal properties, which makes them very effective against skin conditions like eczema, acne, and so on. 6. Treats stomach disorders. Ogirisi leaf can be used to treat various types of stomach upset. This includes constipation, diarrhea, dysentery, bile, and more. Simply drinking an Ogirisi decoction would help settle the stomach. 7. Uterine stimulant. Ogirisi leaves are used as a uterine stimulant for pregnant women. This is to help with the birthing process by facilitating uterine contraction and making labor easier for the woman. A study on rats confirmed that Ogirisi leaves help in uterine contractions. 8. Coughs treatment. Ogirisi leaf can also be boiled in water or palm wine to treat cough and related chest pain. 9. Increases fertility. Perhaps the most popular Ogirisi leaves is to increase a woman's chances of giving birth and dealing with other fertility issues. This is because it helps to induce ovulation, making it easier for a woman to conceive. The leaves also help correct ovulation disorders so that a woman can get pregnant without stress. 11. Antidiabetic properties. Another possible health benefit of Akoko, Ogirisi leaves is their anti-diabetic abilities. A 2011 study was done to determine the effect of Newbouldia laevis leaf extract on the blood sugar levels of diabetic rats. The study showed that Newbouldia laevis leaves have anti-hypelic abilities, which can help with blood sugar regulation.